Hi, this is Brett with Monarch Capital Home Loans. Today we're going to look really quickly at reverse mortgages as a retirement power tool. You know, a lot of people in the country right now feel, I think, a little bit like these two guys about their retirement plan. It doesn't feel like they're very well prepared. And it's really no wonder. Here's some interesting statistics. In the United States, the average length of retirement is 18 years. People in their 50s in the United States have an average savings account of about $44,000. And I shouldn't just say savings, but just total retirement. For folks 65 and older, for a couple that are going to live out their retirement years, projected medical costs are about $215,000. And for a lot of them, Social Security is really the only plan they have, even 35%. They've done some other interesting studies of people age 65 and older, and they've broke them into five groups. One are people who are going to be wealthy when they retire, people who have not be wealthy but have sufficient assets, folks who will continue to work, those who will have to depend on charities, family, and so forth, and then finally those who are dead. And what they've found is that only 1% are wealthy, 4% have sufficient assets, 3% are going to continue working, 63% are going to depend on charities, family, and so forth, and 29% are dead. So the bottom line is, you know, retirement is challenging. We've got less really than 10% of the people who are really prepared to retire well. Reverse mortgages are a great tool, but the reality is there's a lot of fear and shame and even stigma attached to reverse mortgages, as if it's some last resort option that people should be really concerned about. But the reality is that a reverse mortgage is a power tool. For seniors who have equity in their home, reverse mortgages are a very powerful way to use and extract that equity while living in your home to support your retirement and support your standard of living so that you're not having to be one of these other statistics. So let's look at some facts. Number one, a reverse mortgage can be used both to refinance or purchase a home. Yes, you can purchase a home. So, you know, if you have a 40% down payment and you want to purchase a home, you could purchase a home. And with that, you can basically take money out of your home or eliminate your payment entirely. And that's what we see most people doing. When they take a reverse mortgage and they refinance or purchase a home with one, they end up with no mortgage payment. They're only going to pay their taxes and insurance. Now, again, this is only for people who are 62 years or older. No income or debt is considered. It's really strictly about the equity in your home. And again, you need at least about 40% equity to qualify. So if you don't have enough equity, you won't be able to get it done. But a lot of seniors do have the equity locked up they can't use. Now, let's look at a top line concern. One of them is that, do you own your home? Yes, you do. When you get a reverse mortgage, you still own your home. You still have title to your home, and you don't have to sell it until you leave the home. So you get to live there. If you get sick and you have to move to a nursing facility permanently, then at that point you do have to leave. But here's the upside. Any equity that you have in your home still goes with you and goes with your heirs. If the equity has been eliminated through the reverse mortgage, any debt associated with the home is absorbed by the government, absorbed by the FHA. Because by definition, a reverse mortgage goes in reverse. The balance isn't going down, it's climbing. But if you sell and the home doesn't have much equity, that's okay. That gets absorbed by the FHA. The bottom line is that there's probably a lot of questions you have. Give us a call. It's a great tool that can change the life of seniors heading into retirement. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.